That's the kind of afternoon we're gonna have, right, girls? Right, Rena?
Yo, I am
Emma?
not for this.
We're
You
just
know like
popping
this?
up. So we're going to TVJ. Just look at us now. I've smelled Jamaica in the morning. Yeah? It's actually what time? About
It is 6:39.
6:39.
We were told to get there for 6:38.
Yeah. So you know, say the next 30 seconds later, right? So we're gonna just 1 minute 30 seconds late.
1:30 seconds.
1 minute 30 seconds late.
Jamaica's Michael Schumacher.
And you're going to make a Michael Schumacher out in New Kingston. Can he make the stoplight? Yes, he does. Here he goes, Jamaican Michael Schumacher overtakes one car approaching the next stoplight. Oh no, he has to stop. Alright, that's it. That'll be about 2 minutes late. Look at that beautiful lady in her car just enjoying herself in the morning.
Yeah, probably the song Shirley sang.
No. She goes so beautiful to
a
me.
different song.
She's going like this.
Different song.
What? I'm going to let me hear this song, but you know.
She probably think you're trying to talk to her. Just stop for shadow and go so. Can I help you, sir?
What do you want, sir?
Me name on in there.
Yeah. See me enjoying my music.
Are your turn?
No, but you see patrol them over there, sir? Oh gosh, brother.
My.
The car would have just stuck in the New Kingston right
Oh
now.
my.
Any of you ever saw this, sir?
Yeah, big corporate area, though.
I think, do it? Oh, alright.
No,
Nobody
no,
knows.
no, man, you know.
Yeah, come here, say normally that filter in and go so, but a long time I drive in New Kingston.
Alright. You wanted to, because you want to go in that way.
Yeah, through me, I learned that to go right.
Tired, man.
Say, go, man, you work hard, you know, brother? Oh, gosh.
And guess what? They have 2 more to go today, possibly 3.
Oh, yeah. Today is an interview day, by the way. And that's why, yeah, nigga, so we have 2 or possibly 3 today. So we're on it. I want to tell you this morning, Emma wake up before rain, and just there in the room and make pee, you know, isn't it?
Raina never wake up?
No, Raina got bed late or something like later than Emma. But she hold it, man. Yeah, what me have to do?
So wake up what time?
Like 5:15.
That means you wake up so early?
Like it rare doing it, but it happens sometimes.
You know, some of the 2 girls are 2 different, baby. Right now, when I leave, Amy was up, sit up on the couch. Ellie still asleep. And Miss Gambit has to take her out quietly out of the room. So she don't wake up.
Before she,
Ellie.
yeah. Can't imagine, brother.
So I'm going back to sleep now. Then.
Yeah, maybe after like an hour, maybe 2, then go back to sleep again. Up until 11. Alright. We're pulling up. 2 minutes to the Bob. How much?
Nothing is about his work.
I think we should park
7 minutes. You say 2 minutes, what is you make it in 7? You did your best.
I did my best. We did it. I want to get in a Virgonation, you know, study me now, you know, I don't know what go on, you know. I know say from, I don't see the shirt button over there, so you know, so analyst dress me, right? I dress myself. This body, I can look at my phone. Free! And free. Until I put on my man. Yeah. How me do that Virgonation? You don't wonder. Right, Nico? No. Don't, boy. That thing with the new iPhone, you can just, Lego. And you just float. And then you just catch it back.
Oh, but we get a piece of the commission after this.
Eh?
I can buy an iPhone, I expect.
Man, turn up. So I walk down this stretch. I mean, just I remember my days a rising star. My days are all together sing. Them time they Bob na born yet,
That's a little boy.
Them time they are youth, Yeah, man. In other words, long time I don't come on TVJ. Over there. Yeah, please wake it. I mean, I should watch, Yeah. So don't come off
You feel clean, you feel sanitized?
Well sanitized.
If you never bathed this morning, you're good.
Thank you.
Please pass.
Yeah.
I could listen to this song all day. A rising star.
Risen.
And I always say, we all together sing, baby. We watched him grow from a young boy into a man, a husband, a father. And today he's here to share with us his interpretation of beauty expressed through, of course, this beautiful song. Ramin!
Good morning.
Always so happy to see you.
Hey.
How have you been?
The world can't see I'm dressed.
It's beautiful. And I'm just here.
One of the
Time
things
I
that
go wake up
noticed
early and
in
unbutton
this
two
pandemic
button
has
them.
allowed us to see a little bit more of you through your social media.
YouTube channel.
Yes.
Virgonation is large.
Yes, man. The engagement with your wife.
The right foot.
Kids. Coming up, we're going to discuss awareness in our 10 minutes there, help.
Never bell. Watch it now.
But feel like it's about
Watch your game. My Casanova,
If you were watching live, then you'd have seen that. But nice vibe. Oh, may I pick up myself, so that's fine. Alright. Yeah, great interview, Miss Singer. Yeah. But Virgonation, yeah, man, it was a good vibe, about to leave out, and now we get lucky.
No.
Oh, see that we got help is here. Nice. Thank you. Virgonation, yesterday after I did about 4 or 5 1-hour interviews, mash up. I'm not telling a lie. I feel like I'm talking in my sleep last night. Because you can just imagine 1 hour talking straight is like move from one to the next one. And never nothing easy. But we do it, and today now, I got fulfill we promise to the girls. We're supposed to take them out and make them see the world a little bit. Since the whole pandemic, they've been locked up for most of the days. So, I take them out, make some breeze blow up on them, get them a drive in them new car seat. That should be interesting. I can't wait to see, their reaction driving, like I said, the opposite direction in terms of how the seat set. Yeah, Lisa get ready. So we soon want to do the outside. What? You're happy to be out? Finally. Emma. Hey. China, where are you going? Where are you going? Rainy? Rainy? Hey. Hey, baby. Look here. Come, say hi to Virgonation. Oh, gosh. Hey.
Mommy's sweating.
Who this, Reina?
Yeah.
Reina, how you feel having the sexiest mother alive? Hmm?
Yeah.
Good.
You feel good?
Yeah. Nice. Hey, where are you going? Come here. Come back. Go back. That way. That way. Not this way.
You ready to go and drive out?
Ready for a drive out?
Going now? Do you know where you're going right now? Going on the road.
Yeah, with Daddy.
Careful, let's go.
Careful. She said bye. Get her. Get her, Emma. Get her. Get her. Come here, sit and just walk behind them.
I think I am.
It's been so long the girls haven't been out. Yeah. So to let them feel alive.
Oh, wait, then
You
kind
know what I
of
mean?
come out.
Yeah, where's some of the sexiest mother alive?
Ooh.
Out there with them. We're in a Privé brand.
Little Privé Anthony official.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So that- Look like you're rehearse.
Let's see me dress up like this.
You're hot.
Inspired. Inspiration.
Oh yeah, build up
Get
some.
back into the gym,
I build up some
with
confidence.
Yeah.
I feel ya. Yeah man, I'm not ready for you.
Gym, here I come.
You're gonna go to the gym with mommy? Hmm? Who this? Emma? We're trying to make things for you more.
Maybe Emma. But sometimes we're not giving a me vibe. Yes.
Reina just too happy. Too happy.
Want to sit?
You ready to go for a ride now? Huh? Ready to go for a ride?
Leave my lip gloss alone. Don't wipe it off. Do not wipe my.
Put your finger in her nose now, Reina.
No.
Reina, in her nose,
Don't
nose.
put your finger in people's nose. No. Don't listen to Dada.
Reina, new
Tell
style.
Dada bye bye. Tell Dada bye bye. Bye bye. Love you. Love you, Ems. Let's go.
Do you like your new seat, baby? Emma, talk to me. Leave that alone. Talk to me. You love a new seat? Yeah? Alright, good.
Super Daddy to the rescue. It's okay.
You need to write that song there.
Hey, Rainy. Super Daddy to the rescue. It's alright.
Rainy, mommy calling me Super Daddy. Am I a Super
You
Daddy?
don't think you're a Super Daddy? I think you're a Super Daddy.
Oh.
So when you put on your muscle back, when you put on back your muscle,
Yeah.
at that time you're going to look like Super Daddy, and then you're going to walk with your hand them wide off, like you have boil on their arm. Yeah.
This is what me there talk about now, you know.
Really?
Is your foot at the back of the seat already? Wow. My girls are enjoying their drink.
Big girl.
What's in your cup, baby?
She take off the bottom of hers.
Your drink is in your cup. In your cup, it's in your cup. Your cup. Hey! Your cup. Hey!
Is that Raina? How is your seat? Aww. What if we need to adjust the headrest part? I believe so, you know? Yeah. The headrest part won't adjust, so we still adjust it. Yes.
This is so new to us. They're trying to figure out the seat, but seeing that they might enjoy themselves so far, which is most important, right?
Daddy!
And the car feel heavy for real.
Don't exaggerate. It's not that bad.
Trust me. There. Enjoying the ride, baby? God, see her face around there.
Oh my, she looks so happy to be on the road. You're not trying to look up.
So you know what? These girls haven't been outside enough, you know? And
That's what I'm afraid.
yeah, Hey, number one reason.
Paranoid.
It
It's a big
is
step for me.
paranoid. Bad. You know? So that's the number one reason. And then, you know, if we take them outside, you know, we have to dead it in the moment too. So
Yeah, we have to be there.
we're happy for them. Trust me.
Daddy!
Where are we going today?
We're just driving. Can maybe stop at the supermarket to get something for them?
True.
Maybe
Or-
if you get a snack, or they can circle Uncle Nico.
Surprise them though. And Nico them did say them want to come look for them, but we can go look for them too. Don't it?
Can just pop up on Nico themselves.
What do you mean?
Somebody has no etiquette.
That's fun. That's
I don't want to look at etiquette. It is like pop up on Nico stuff.
what do you mean?
That's
Pop
all
up
right.
like a pop-up shop.
Let me message Ruthie right now.
No,
We
no
can't
bother with
follow
that.
you. Remain.
Hmm?
No, we cannot do that.
Liz, I'm perfect with it. Why would you call and ask? Or message and ask when you can just turn up?
Why? What is? Alright. Number one reason why they may not be home.
Right. That's a good point.
Did you stop to think about that?
No, but try and call them.
Alright. When I fancy Ariel though. We just a pop up on everybody say no,
Yeah, man,
no,
come.
no,
Look at
honey.
it, look at it.
Oh my god. Ariel gonna kill me. Romain, before you turn in there, can we just call first to find out from Ariel?
No, you turn and call.
No. Oh, what is God?
No, man, in my
I want Ariel not that one missing man.
in my book, you fire shot, then
This
you find
not right.
out who the boat.
So we just a show. What is this? Where's a pop up for them who's to the reaction?
Yeah. You can call it that.
At that?
That's the kind of
Alright.
afternoon we're gonna have, right, girls? Right, Rena?
Yo, I am
Emma?
not for this.
We're
Me
just
not like
popping
this.
up. Like a pop-up shop.
Me not like this.
You call her?
I'm gonna call her, but yo, I don't like this at all. They finna answer, and that they finna do.
Why you turn on Wi-Fi?
Me turn up because remember Ariel have a overseas number too. If we not get the Jamaican one.
Oh, Wi-Fi is?
I know
Oh, it turns
Wi-Fi
off.
me data me.
No, call the foreign number from WhatsApp call.
Wait, so that doesn't me turn on my data. Yo,
Okay.
you're stressing me out.
Let me know you want to use a little style for me now. Hey. See,
I
now
hope
get you
she's
to
not
earn.
home. Me not like this. So Ariel chronicles this. I bet you don't get tired. Ariel love your answer. Oh my god, she answer. Ari, you home? We're outside. Yes. Yeah, at your gate. Ariel, you disappoint me, no sir.
That's the kind of aunties you want, girls.
Ariel,
See?
so you don't think you're supposed to say, so how you not give me no prayer warning? Say I come to my house. How you sound so excited? And the girls are here. Again, need to be prepared for these things.
My night gone in Ariel.
Auntie Ariel, we came to look for Auntie Ariel, Emanuela. You're a boy.
This is what they call spontaneous or spontaneous. She wasn't ready.
Hi, Ari.
You see on the stairs?
You look like you just wash your hair.
Virgonation, do not judge your girl. You're just not wash that, right?
Come closer. Come closer. Ariel, how are you so happy to see us? I'm gonna say nothing. We're gonna say Ariel will on her way. Nothing.
Because me know say it must.
You me feel like Ariel just hear the baby them voice in her back and say, you know what?
Babies! Me didn't have to see the fancy chair we just get installed. You know, me see how much
A
work.
headrest look like it won't fix. May I
Me
come?
see how much work. Daddy, put in because mommy did just a laugh off of daddy the whole
I
time.
tell him, man, the worst
But
supporter,
you not go on
man.
bad in her real.
No, no,
You
no,
not
she
go on
did
bad
get
at
your
all.
she did
Put
get
it
your
in a
props at the
in a
end.
park.
though. She did get your
You can
props.
pack up?
Yeah, man.
What are these? Let me pack up a little bit.
Babies. Okay, so you must come down some more for position to them head. My camera with them boss in this year.
Yeah.
Hi, let me tell you, I know my babies, let me know. I know my
But
babies.
too bad remain, we could have prepared. Ariel look like he just washed our ear.
My reelers around here, you know, we keep it real and straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always.
With the grays, them a show, and I do not
What
care.
grays?
Because
Ariel,
you know,
don't you
them
see your
say gray
super
hair
model?
mean money.
Yes, girl.
Rich.
Yes, give me some.
And hear them gray, you're rich.
Yeah, man. Come on, back to that.
Ariel, grays, pink, white hair, you're still pretty
thank you,
as
ma'am.
ever,
Thank you,
okay?
I think Lizzie say you're so beautiful.
Yeah, you're
You're so beautiful.
Hey,
Hey,
hey.
morning when I wake up.
Wow.
In a, you're so beautiful. Come here,
To me.
Hey, remember harmonize it?
You know. Rena, I wonder what keeping
Yo,
her.
this is to
What
me.
is she looking at?
Watch them. Them
Ah.
are like,
Reina,
why?
Reina, what are you looking
You're
at?
like,
What should I look at?
Is there a TV around it?
I'm wondering.
Oh, she's looking like you. Look up.
Upstairs?
Upstairs.
No, fear I gone
Boy,
too
Ariel,
far.
pass the test, me girl.
I
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling quite fine.
And same thing, what do to Mr. Brown, you know?
Oh no, wicked.
I think
Is
so,
a
but what
wicked.
if another one?
Them just come and pop up on me. They not even know if girl alright, if she decent.
It's a
You
pop
don't know
up.
if you're that
Alright,
woman.
alright, always,
A
alright.
people boot me put on.
Girl.
And run come on.
What are those?
Hey, let Ariel alone, man.
Ariel, I work out to them
Let
right
the girl
away.
alone.
On the need for no. Okay, big up Steve
Alright.
Ling Maturina, aka also Ramin's
My
trainer.
enemy.
About 3 years, you know, see.
My enemy. But he'll be proud to see me.
In
You know,
your
so
gym
put on,
clothes.
yeah, me put on gym clothes as
I
inspiration.
realize.
Yeah.
And it looked good to me.
Thank you.
Some more gym clothes myself.
Oh, you have
You
got
need to
link
buy some
Privé.
from Privé.
Privé.
Privé, Anthony.
Oh, wanna hear that?
What's
You
Emma?
ready to go? Oh.
Ready to go? Okay.
No,
Alright.
man. Okay, guys. Pre the drip and pre the sit up. Okay. Like when you say bossy, all right. Talk to them nice.
Nico,
Yeah,
I'll make you
man,
call me.
Nico is styling.
So guys, remember, subscribe to Ariel Chronicles.
Yes,
Ariel's
guys.
Chronicles. That's Ariel's YouTube
Okay,
channel.
see
Okay?
Yes, guys. And the last post was my trip to Appleton Estate
Hey.
with some of my girlfriends, and it was awesome. So check it
May I go
out.
watch it?
I
Alright.
wish twang invoice this one, you know.
Yeah, bless up the
Mr.
breed.
Brownie.
Hi, my
Mr.
baby.
Brownie. What time I
I'm
call
Marina.
again? Mine is up. You know, I'm always too separate that way. Make sure you never tell Nico say we are coming out.
Okay, man. Alright, so mission popping. That was popping up. Mission pop up on the brownies
Cancel.
got cancelled
So
because
Nico always 10 steps ahead of you, know?
yeah,
Or 1 step. Or 2.
yeah, like him know what going on. The man just call me about something so serious. I will turn back. Yes, baby. I'm sorry, baby. We can't go again. We can't go to Uncle Nico again or Auntie Ruthie.
Very nice calling.
Yes, baby. Rainy. Emma. Tea.
You want tea?
You want tea? Okay, we're on our way home. So you'll get tea when you reach home, alright, baby?
Okay, Emma?
Okay?
Okay, quiet.
Cricket. Virgonation, we are about to sign out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this
Shaky,
shaky last part of the video. But we're out. See you in our next video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. If you're watching right now and you're not yet subscribed, what you wait for,
What are you
man?
waiting on?
Come on, subscribe to the Virgos. See you in our next video, alright?
Alright.
Ace.